Every child needs a generous adventure. One who does new stuff and shares it, not hoards it. We had Ken, Mum's brother, the youngest, a plumber. He gave me the Ragged Trousered Philanthropist when I was 10. I did not understand it. Not then.
They might as well be slaves for all the difference it makes to their lives. Except the slaves had songs, and the workers of the modern world had nothing but the grind of their labour.
Ken told me that people who mocked us because of our names were idiots. He was the first person we knew to fly. He went to Spain in 1978. Brought back a doll for my sister. Black lace, black hair, red dress, long arms aloft, dancing. We got castanets, one pair, wooden, mysterious. Spaniards have Duende, a fire inside that only comes out through music, he said. Spaniards have Duende, a fire inside that only comes out through music, he said. I clicked and clacked and created Castanet Chaotica, a cardboard drum beat an even deeper rhythm. Arms shaped like our doll guide, we swept higher and wilder and felt the blood fizz of Duende, of freedom. And felt the blood fizz of Duende, of freedom. Cars disappeared from our consciousness, except one. A van slowing down, window opening, a fat head lolls out, yellow teeth exposing bitter anger. Get back to Russia! Get back to Russia! It's Spain-Thuania, shouts back my sister. Doll, thrust outwards, like a spear. Get back to Russia! Get back to Russia! Doll, thrust outwards, like a spear.